Hi, I'm Phil Monkhouse, Realtor in Houston. Today I'm going over the Sugar Land real estate market, the second quarter. I also did the other major cities in Fort Bend County as well as Pearland, so you can check these out, but this one is just Sugar Land. Okay, so this is like what I've seen in other cities, but this is one's more exaggerated, more pronounced. A high number in the second quarter of 2022 when interest rates started going up and everyone knew they were going to go up further, and then a big drop off between second quarter of 2022 and the first quarter of 2023, and then a rebound in the second quarter of the one that just passed 2023. So quarter over quarter, a huge jump, and year over year, a little drop, but that's a higher number than you would expect. You think things have slowed down a lot year over year, but not really. Now let's look into pricing. Kind of shows the same thing as the sales, all the way up here at 543, and we pretty much got right back up to that point. And then the first quarter was a lot lower. That's seasonally a slower time, but I think people were just kind of holding off here, waiting to see if interest rates would drop, but they're not. Can't wait anymore, and they go ahead and pull the trigger and buy a home. Price per square foot, same story. So this one's not as low as the pricing would have you believe. It's just that there's definitely a drop, but it's not as severe as the number of homes or the pricing would have you believe. It's just smaller homes, I guess, generally selling. But yeah, price per square foot wise, we're actually higher now than we were year over year, which might surprise a lot of people. And now let me show you months of inventory. Before I jump into new homes, I'll show you months. Okay, so this is historically seen as a good gauge of market strength. Above 6 months is considered a seller's market. Below 6 months is a buyer's market. We're looking at a 5-year period all the way back to 2018. So it's always been a bit of a seller's market, but it's got a lot stronger from like a peak of around 5 months down to below a month during COVID. And then, as I said, as interest rates started climbing, inventory started building a little bit, but now we're back to just over a month. The sellers don't want to give up that 3% mortgage they might have, and but there's still so many people moving to the area that they just have to buy something, and so yeah, we're seeing a very tight market. Very good to be a seller still. Being a buyer, not so much, but yeah, people are moving here. They need homes. So I'll show you new homes. Not much left in Sugar Land for new homes. So let me show you what we have. Okay, like I said, not much for new homes left in Sugar Land. I think that's really going to put pressure on the resale market, keep the prices high. Other areas like Missouri City still has Lake Olympia building and Sienna building, and some other areas too. Richmond still has a ways to go. That will help keep resale in line, but Sugar Land, you can't buy new anymore, so the resale market's going to keep being pushed higher, I believe. So yeah, these are all pretty much leftover lots in Riverstone, Avalon, finishing up Avalon with Taylor Morrison and Darling. I don't know if Darling has anything left, or if anyone has anything left at this point. They're probably pretty much wrapped up, but you can see not much to go over here. Just a handful of homes left to be built. The prices are really, really high because they're closing out. Last chance for new construction in Sugar Land, or in Riverstone, I should say. And price per square foot, all extremely high. Yeah, so that's what we have. There is something coming up in Sugar Land. I just saw 30 lots. Someone just closed on 30, or enough space to build 30 homes, I believe. Some of them townhomes and some of them single family. They're all going to be very high end. I'll give you more info. I should look into that. I'll give you more info on that if you're interested in Sugar Land new construction. This is going to be, again, part of Riverstone. The area, there was a map. I'll make its own little video, get some more info, make its own little video. But yeah, not much for new construction in Sugar Land, but a very strong resale market. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or any questions, please reach out. Thank you.